Welcome to the lecture on ETL or extraction, transformation, and load. In this lecture and in previous units of the course, we have already discussed various aspects of the extraction, transformation, and load at various levels. It is important to understand the key roles of extracting data and the transformation of data to build information and knowledge from the data collected. The completeness and accuracy of the data determines the success of the ETL process. The more missing information that you have or inaccurate information that you have may lead to incorrect shared decision making. Interoperability also plays a key role on how well the data is collected and the quality of the data, as with the lack of interoperability, you may also have missing information. Therefore, the process of transformation, cleaning the data, is a long process and requires careful analysis. And typically, you have a data dictionary so that if you have a collaborator helping you with the transformation process, everyone on the evaluation team has the same understanding of the data that you are looking and cleaning to provide recommendations to hospitals or individual healthcare teams on data trends regarding health outcomes. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me by email or visit me during my office hours. Thank you.